Hi, I'm Tyler from TELUS, and today I'm answering the question, how do I adjust the sensitivity of my doorbell camera? Start by opening your TELUS SmartHome app. Then you're going to want to tap on your doorbell camera. On the top right, you're going to tap the gear for the settings menu. In the settings menu, you're going to look for the motion sensitivity slider. You can use that to adjust the sensitivity of your doorbell camera. Setting your motion sensitivity to the lowest setting will cause your front doorbell to pick up less motion, and setting it to the high sensitivity will cause it to pick up more motion. Keep in mind, the way the motion sensors work, it's common to see a change in sensitivity during different parts of the year. During warm months, clips tend to trigger less often, and during cold months, clips tend to trigger more often. To counteract these changes, increase or decrease your doorbell camera's motion sensitivity as needed. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching.